Good morning. My name is Dr. Umerin. I be some doctor for America where they work for emergency room. I don't come again for talk for una about 3 lies them where they circulate about this coronavirus. If you want to hear about what the coronavirus be, please refer from our first video what we make it for Facebook. I want to talk again for my people the way they did for Cameroon, they did for Nigeria, when there are many pigeon where they did here. Again, when I get for no say this sickness or new sick, we never understand and fine. It just start only last year for China. So we still understand and fine. So any information you hear for outside, even for me, doctor, go WHO, World Health Organization, go verify everything what I talk. And at the place where we go forget the most updated information. Again, remember say this signal new sick, all with the cylinder. So the number one thing I say, this signal be white man sick. And this signal be sick where they only old people they get them. All man fi get them. When I don't hear say Manu Bango don't die, I don't know whether the coronavirus or not, they don't talk them. But we don't see cases, verified cases for here, black people where they be get that coronavirus. We don't see them. We see young people them where we put them for life support. They don't feel breathe on their own. Their hearts don't feel. Where they don't get no problem before because of that COVID-19. So my people them are back on now. This sick no be why man sick. No be old people them sick. All man fit get them. Number 2, lie way there for outside. Now say make you drink plenty water. You drink and you go make up. Even if coronavirus there for your mouth, you no go feel go for your lungs. And I also hear someone say they talk to me you mix lemon and bicarbonate of soda and water. You drink and drink. My brother, my sister, them, my papa, my mommy, them. If you drink that much bicarbonate of soda, no say if you get kidney failure. That means you go walk out from front pan, you go enter fire. Please. If fine as una want drink water. If fine as una want drink water and lemon. But drinking a lot of water, it not going to help you for not get that coronavirus or that COVID-19. No. The main thing with the stress, we will not learn from China, from Italy, from the WHO. Nasimo will do that social distancing, 2 meters from everybody. She done for your house as much as possible. I know say some of wanna be business people that wanna get for go find money, wanna get for go office. Try as much as possible for reduce the communication, the amount of time you spend for outside with people. Try as much as possible. If you feel work out with food, go someplace, go. Avoid bensikin, clando, bus, taxi, because when people them jump, they plenty inside. So now for day where coronavirus is glad that COVID-19 will enter. If one person get it, it will spread very fast. So if you feel possible, say if you work out with food, go the place better. If you know if you work out with food, go the place better. May you take taxi where you want inside that taxi, where you don't rent that whole taxi you want, or you drive your own motor than for take bensikin. But I know say for some of una way no day. If you must take bensikin, you must take taxi where other people than day or clando or bus or that kind of thing. When you come out of house, wash your skin immediately with Dettol. The third thing I want to talk for and I say, you don't circulate for outside, say, oh, because Africa hot, that virus no feel survive. I tell you something, I did Texas. Sometimes for Texas, even now, it is hot like Douala. It is hot like Manfe, it is hot like Tico. So we see every day, the number of people the way they get that COVID-19, every day they increase. So we never understand that thing fine. So no man of it talk say, oh, you know the Africa because of the temperature for Africa. So now the thing that I want to talk for now. I beg. Number 1, this coronavirus they infect all man, not be white man sick, no be old people sick. Number 2, drinking a lot of water, it no go help you. Mixing it with lemon and bicarbonate, it no go help you. Now social distancing to the best of your ability. Avoid taxi, bensikin, clando, bus, place where people they pack inside. If you know if you avoid them, And know say some part them you get to go do your business, you get to go find money. When you come back for house, you wash immediately. You try your best to stay away from people. And number 3, high temperature for Africa not be the reason why we need to see them. We should need the test enough. So my brother, my sister, and my mommy, and papa, them, and me don't come again for one for just split, because the way we don't see the way they sick this sick day, it be dangerous. The COVID-19 they kill people them plenty. People them where they will not be get any problem. People them where they fine before. So I beg una again for try for keep for that social distancing as much as possible. God bless una. Thank you.